Let's see next definition of the orbit. Orbit, which means the fixed path. Any objective revolving around the moon, earth or sun. So these are all the it should rotate in a fixed path. So orbit is standard definition is fixed path. So all 8 planets and solar system move around the sun in a fixed path. These planets is moving around the sun in a fixed path. That is a orbit. We can call it orbit. These paths are elongated. These are all the elongated, very large one, and they are called the orbits. So Earth twins. This is important for exam. Venus. Venus is also known as the Earth twins, which means that Venus considered as a Earth twin because its size, shape are very much similar to Earth. Venus is similar to Earth, so they are much similar like a Earth. So that's why Venus is called as a Earth twin. As we know, Pluto, as we know, it is a dwarf planet. Let's see. Till recently, 2006, the Pluto was the considered as a planet. And however, meeting of the International Astronomical Union. International Astronomical Union, they are deciding which one is planet, which one is star, like that. So decision was taken the Pluto like other celestial objects discovered the recent past may be called dwarf planet. Earlier it considered as a planet, now they are decided that dwarf planet by the International Astronomical Union. Some facts, let's see. Aryabhatta is a famous astronomer in ancient time. He said that moon and planet signs due to reflection of sunlight. So moon and planet, these are all sign due to the reflection of sunlight. Sunlight is reflecting, so that's why these are all getting the light and heat. So it says by the famous astronomer Aryabhatta. Neil Armstrong. Neil Armstrong was the first man to step the surface of the moon, 20 July 1969. The first step on the surface of the moon. Neil Armstrong. Astronomers. The definition of the astronomers who study the celestial bodies and their movement is called astronomers. It is a full moon night, Purnima. Purnima means full moon night. New moon light means Amavasya. Amavasya means new moon. Amavasya, new moon. Full moon means Purnima. Mercury is nearest to the sun. Mercury the first one. As we know that there is sun, we know that my very efficient mother just served us nuts. As you know this formula, first M is the Mercury, it is nearest to sun. Second one is the Venus, this is second to the sun. Next Earth, Earth is the third to sun. Mars is the fourth to sun. Jupiter is the fifth to sun. Saturn, Uranus and Neptune, these are all the order. So Mercury takes the 88 days to complete one round along its orbit. Mercury takes 880 days to spin one spin around the sun. Let's see difference between satellite and human-made satellites. Satellites means celestial body. Satellite is celestial body. It moves around the planet, and the same way planet moves around the sun. So, however, planets are moving around the sun, the same way satellites is move around the earth to study about the earth from the distance. Human-made satellites, it also called artificial body. Satellite is celestial body, human-made satellite is artificial body, designed by the scientists to gather the information about the universe or communication. They are designed for the gathering the information about the universe and the communication, and it is carried by the rocket placed in the orbit around the sun. It is carried by a rocket from Earth to outer space. It is carried by the rockets, and some of the Indian satellites are INSAT, IRS, EDISATs. These are all the some of the satellites, for example. Let's see asteroids and meteoroids. Asteroids is apart from the stars, planets, and satellites, there are numerous tiny bodies which is also move around the sun. Asteroids means tiny bodies which move around the sun. These bodies are called asteroids. They are found between the orbits of the Mars and Jupiter. This is important for exam. Asteroids is between Mars and Jupiter. Meteoroids, these are also small pieces of the rock. Asteroids, tiny body, tiny bodies. Meteoroids, small pieces rock which moves around the sun. This is also moves around the sun like asteroids. Sometimes these meteoroids come near to the earth. Sometimes these meteoroids come to the earth and dropped upon it. Sometimes it will hit the surface of the earth. But asteroids never hit the surface of the earth. During this process, due to the frictions with the air, they get heated up and burned. After this dropped upon the earth, that process during that friction with the air and get heated up the and burn. This causes the flash light. You will see the sun blinks if it is meteorites experienced by us on the earth. Sometimes meteor without being completely burned falls on the earth and create halo. If it is heated up and burned, it won't reach to earth. Meteorites won't reach to earth. If it is not able to burn meteorites, then it will reach to earth and create a hole on the earth. Milky Way galaxy, white glowing path across the sky on the clear starry night. Whitey glowing path across the sky on the clear scary night. So whatever the white glowing path is appearing on the night time in the sky, so that is called Milky Way galaxy. It is cluster of million stars. It is a cluster of million stars. This band is a Milky Way galaxy. The solar system is part of this galaxy. Solar system is a part of Milky Way galaxy. Akashganga. Akashganga in the ancient India, it was imagined that the river of light flowing in the sky. So it's a kind of something like a river of flowing in the sky. This is called as a Akashganga. On the sky, you can see like this kind of river. Galaxy and universe. Galaxy is a huge system of billion of stars. Galaxy means billion of stars. It's called galaxy. Clouds, dust, gases. Stars plus, clouds plus, dust plus, gases. These are all known as the galaxy. Contain the galaxy. These are all the millions of such galaxies to make the universe. If the stars cloud on the galaxy, so million of galaxies form the universe. So universe is the top. So we can say that Earth is a part of the solar system. Earth is a part of the solar system, and solar system is part of Milky Way galaxy. Solar system part of Milky Way galaxy, and which is part of universe. It is also part of universe. So universe, within the universe we do have the Milky Way galaxy, and Milky Way galaxy we do have the solar system and then Earth. So from Earth to solar system to Milky Way galaxy, then universe formed. So universe have the Milky Way galaxy, solar system and Earth.